On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram followers stuck easy and fast. So all what you have to do guys is very simple. Just open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps right here and then go to apps again here in the top. And now here on this page, wait a few seconds, it will start loading the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Scroll down until you find Instagram, and now here click on the force stop and go down to the storage. After you go to storage, wait a few seconds and it will show you the data number that you have. Click on clear data and then go back again. Now click on power usage details. Now here on this page, go down and click on this force stop down here. After that, go to the power consumption alert and disable it and enable it again. Now the last step you have to do is restart your phone and reopen Instagram, and congratulations, the problem is gonna be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.